there's 24 hours before your big holiday dinner and you forgot to defrost your turkey. No worries, you don't have to call in for takeout. There's still time to get that thing thawed and in the oven safely so you can enjoy your feast with family. The key is ice cold water. Yes, ice cold. Why ice water? Well, you can't just thaw that thing on the counter. Bacteria can start to grow on the outside of the turkey pretty fast once its temperature hits 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you and your guests could end up sick, and nobody wants that. So instead, plop that packaged bird in ice cold water and cover it completely. And be sure to change the water every half hour to be sure it stays super cold. This method will take about 30 minutes per pound to get the turkey thawed. Now pop that defrosted bird in the oven, and happy eating from all of us at HowStuffWorks.